What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today we're going to put to the test 10 more life hacks. Let's see what I got this time. Here's the easy way to peel a coconut. Just knock it out all around just like that. There you go, there's a piece came off. There you go, now it's peeling. No way, look at that. And that way you can peel a coconut without opening it. Unbelievable. And let me show you. You see, after that, this is just actual coconut. You can just eat coconut now like an apple, and there's a juice inside of it. That's an amazing life hack, I can't believe it. How do you peel an orange? Again, it is pretty hard. Look at that, pieces come off. Horrible. That's not how you peel an orange. Even if you slide to a little piece, it's still kind of hard. You see pieces coming off. Not fun. What you want to do is cut it if you have a knife, and cut it right to the peel all the way around. Boom. Then you grab it and pull it with your finger all the way around. That actually a fun life hack. Always works. If I have a knife around me close by, I always peel oranges like that. It's just fun and easy. Boom. In case you don't have a knife, you can just grab a spoon and poke it through, just right under it, and just slide it and keep peeling it. You see, it's easy. Once you got it done one piece, it's so easy to just go all the way around and peel the rest. I'd say not bad life hack. I like it. For the next life hack, I got here clementines, not oranges. They're a little bit different. They are easy to peel clementines, not these ones. These ones are really hard to peel. If you try to peel one piece at a time, you see it just takes a long time and really annoying. And it also makes a mess. The easier way to do it, forget that, is just grab it right here, break it in half. It does make a little bit of a mess, but look how much easier it is to peel it. Boom, half, and right here another half. And you have here one peel versus last time I was peeling it, you have one piece at a time. So definitely much easier to peel it, even those non-easy to peel clementines. How to tell if a mango ripe or not? Apparently green mangoes will sink and a ripe one will float. Okay, the ripe one is floating. And I guess this one is not ripe yet. And you know what? It does feel harder. Even though this one looks green, it feels really soft. This one feels really hard. Okay, this one feels really soft, this one feels much harder. Soft mango actually sunk. Hard mango kind of floats, kind of sinks in the middle. I don't know, kind of worse, kind of not. Honestly, this mango, even though it is so soft, it sinks anyways. So I don't know if this life hack works. For the next life hack, this is a cool way to serve a mango. First of all, you have to peel it. Nice, peels super easy as you can see. No problem here. Okay, then you can put a squirrel in, right into the pit, and then you can cut it like this. Again, somehow their life hacks always look so good, but then you take out a piece, no problem. You can just come up, grab it, take it out, or just bite into it, whatever you prefer. But yeah, it definitely works. Pretty fun way to serve it. Here's the easy way to strip corn on a cob. Just find a straight line and remove one. After a second row, it actually works really good as well with white corn. This is actually satisfying to just strip one line at a time. make sure your hands are obviously clean. Some people I know doesn't like to eat corn on a cob, so that way they can strip it without using a knife, and that way you save all the corn. But the only minus, it's quite messy. Super easy way to slice up mangoes. 1, 2. Then grab a knife and cut it all the way down to the skin without cutting through the skin. Then grab a glass, make sure the mango is very ripe and soft, so that way it's easy to cut through all the pieces with the glass. And look at that, all your pieces cut up really good, peeled it off really nicely too. Easy way to peel a peach, just cut it like that, cut it like that, then put it in the boiling water for 40 seconds, then take it out with a spoon because it's hot, put it in icy water. Okay, and let's start to peel on it. You know what? It works. There you go. On some sides works a bit better than the other sides. I wonder if I cooked it a bit longer, if it worked much better, because it stopped. In their video it was much better. Let's try this again. I actually ended up doing a bit longer than just a minute, and you know what? It actually works now. Guys, go away! Look at him climbing the table. Get down! Get down! Get down! So yeah, this life hack actually works, but it takes a lot longer than a minute. So yeah, this life hack works, but it takes a lot longer than just 40 seconds, that's for sure. Look at that, peeling so good. It took me about 2 minutes for it to look like in their videos. Now it looks like a perfect peeled peach. How cool is that? But yeah, it took me about 2 or 3 minutes for it to actually work. I tell you what, that tastes delicious. For this life hack, here's a very simple way to slice up pineapple. Then you slice up this corner side here. Next, you just wanna cut it in line like that. Boom. And then keep going to the next line right here. So that way you waste the least of pineapple, and then you can just cut it up like that. It definitely works. It just, my pineapple was kind of strange. It didn't work that well, but it definitely did the job. If I practice, I'm sure I can get really good at it. Here's an easy way to slice a pineapple. Okay, cut it out too like that, and then it's supposed to slide out easily. Boom. Then you can cut it up. Then lift this up and put it back in. But now you can push one forward, one back, one forward, one back, and boom, you can serve it, come up and grab one and eat it. But you know what, there might be even better way to do it. Just cut off this end right here, because it's just so rough, it doesn't taste good. Then you can go all the way through like that, even easier. And then you can just cut it off like that. And then do the push method the same way. Which way do you like better? Let me know in comments below. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.